Hello everyone, I am Niharika John Mehra and welcome to this video. Welcome to this channel that is Unacademy Bankers Hub. First of all, this is a video where I'm going to share something with you guys. The topic is 5 movies that changed my life. Okay, so it is in the context of English, as learning English, understanding different accents, and then getting into English as a language. Okay, so that's the purpose of making this video for all of you. And make sure guys, as we go ahead, you do like the video, share this video, and if you haven't subscribed till now, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. More details about my profile and all, you can get it in the description box below. Let's begin. So 5 movies. These movies really helped me to get into English. I mean, it is not like I have been this good or I have been at this level since the time I have been learning English. It is a gradual process and the same happened with me. But I really like couple of genres, and these genres, when it comes to movies, I prefer watching movies in English than in Hindi. And 5 movies, if I talk about, there are many, there are literally many movies, but if I have to pick up any 5, I would like to pick up these 5 movies. I'll start in reverse order. On 5th place, we have Kung Fu Panda. So it has 3 parts and all 3 parts are excellent. It is an animated movie. I really like animated movies, and this one, which I'm gonna quote a line for you, this one is part 1. Here is Po. He is the protagonist of the movie, hero of the movie, and he is learning something from his master. Actually, I would say master is teaching something to him. He is in the process of becoming a warrior, and his master says this way: yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift, and that is why we call it present. So present, gift, he related these 2 words. I really like it, so thought sharing with you all. On number 4, we have The Imitation Game. Now this is a movie that revolves around the time of World War II, and there is this dialogue I really like. Sometimes it's the way people who no one imagines anything of, who do the things no one can imagine. So that teaches us that people may not think of you as someone who can make a difference, but actually you can be the person who is making that actual difference. It's very deep. Just try and understand, think over it, and definitely if you get some time off from your work or studies, do watch the movie. On number 3, we have Pursuit of Happiness. Here is the story of a father and his kid, and he's a salesman, he's trying to take custody of his kid. He says this one thing, okay, to his child. He's a very small boy, and while playing basketball, he says, you got a dream, you protect it. You want something, you go get it. And it is very strong message for all of us out here, including me, that if we have a dream, we should be protecting it. That means we should work upon it. We should not let any other person pull us down. And this inspires me again a lot. It's a very famous movie again. Do try watching it sometime. On number 2, we have Oceans, the whole series actually. Yes, I know I'm supposed to mention 5 movies, but then Oceans 11, 12, 13, all of these movies. And why do I like it? Like how it has affected me or impacted me, in fact, because of the language. See, there is one thing that you get subtitles, okay, when it comes to learning English, or you want to improve your English, you are watching some animated movies which are meant for kids. This is the movie. I found it really challenging to understand. I have watched it like multiple times, and it was like 3rd or 4th time when I was able to understand all the expressions and dialogues and jargons they were using. That's why I find it very interesting. So if you want to understand the movie, you want to understand the plot, you will have to be so focused while watching the movie, else you will not be able to connect any dot. like that. And this is something which is very different. Not that I learned some moral lessons out of it, but I learned to focus more when someone is saying something. I learned how complicated certain structures could be. And this is what I would want to suggest when you want to just take some time off, just want to chill out, and at the same time you are willing to put that time into something more than of a simple language based movie. Try it out, okay? You will enjoy it. It's full of action, it has a good story, and English, I mean, you will really would want to watch it a second time or maybe a third time to understand the whole story. And on top of my list is Avengers, my all-time favorite whole series. In fact, every MCU movie, I really like it. I can binge watch Avengers anytime, any day. Something which I really like about Avengers specifically is that we get to see people from different origin, actors and actresses from different origins to conversate. When they are talking to each other, you get to learn so much. Why? Because for example, Iron Man, Captain America, Black Widow, they are from America, so they have American accent. We have Thor. He is from Australia, so he has Australian accent. Then we have Doctor Strange, and he is from UK, London. He has British accent. And when you see this movie, when you watch this movie, you have to really put a little effort to understand what they are speaking to each other. So I really like this part about the movie. It has really impacted me to focus more on how to speak, the way you are speaking, accent in which you are speaking. I really would love to be part of their conversation, just like imaginary thing is there. Now, something I want to share again from the same movie is how important it is to take a pause. I'm a person, I like to speak fast. I want to complete my sentences and my thought very quickly. But here is something I will share with you. So there is a scene where Captain America and Iron Man, they have arrested Loki. They are in a plane. And suddenly Thor comes, and now they need to plan out, who is this, what do we do? Here Captain America says to Tony Stark, Iron Man, he says, we need a plan of attack. Okay, so he's serious, he's saying we need a plan of attack. And Iron Man replies, I have a plan, attack. And this is the line he delivers, and then he jumps from the plane. So interesting to watch the way he says it. I have a plan, attack. And that attack, that rhythm to it, that impact, that force he has put on this word attack is something that has stuck in my mind, and I am always like, okay, so delivering your thoughts and delivering a good speech also comes with a type of force attached to it, the way you say it politely, aggressively, and so much more. So these were 5 movies that have really impacted my life in terms of linguistic, in terms of language. They have made me to think upon this thing, how much more I need to learn and how I can incorporate more happening things when it comes to language, more effective things when it comes to language. I'm sure you guys might have enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more such videos, plus to learn, to get prepared for your exam. This is the channel for you. Once again, make sure you subscribe our channel, and Unacademy is always there for you when it comes to your preparation of any competitive exam. Let's crack it.